it turned out that a really good way of studying that, or potentially studying this cooling due to pollution, is to look at these things called ship tracks. So little lines, or actually not so little, kilometer long lines following individual ships. And you can see this in the clouds. It shows up as brighter clouds if you're looking from a satellite, or even if you're an astronaut on the International Space Station, you can just look down on the Earth and actually see these lines in the clouds going back into individual ships. So some of my early research focused on that as a way to understand the present climate. But it turns out that this concept of marine cloud brightening, where you might go out and do what we've inadvertently been doing with ships and doing it deliberately with sea salt particles, pretty much all of the same physics is there. All of the questions I was thinking about in terms of the detectability of these ship-based emissions also applied to marine cloud brightening. And something I found was that if we do the statistics in a clever way, we're able to see on these regional spatial scales and climate timescales a substantial brightening effect in the clouds from shipping that we're doing by accident. So it convinced me that if we were to actually want to do this on purpose, we almost certainly could, at least in certain cloud types.